Let us discuss about Dijkstra's algorithm. It is primarily used to find the shortest path between nodes in a weighted graph. Let us import system module. Let's create class Dijkstra's algorithm. Init method initializes the class with the number of vertices. It sets up to two lists, distance and visited. Dijkstra's method. It implements Dijkstra's algorithm, sets the distance to the source vertex to 0, iterates overall vertex to find the shortest path, calls min distance to find the vertex with the minimum distance and hasn't been visited, marks this vertex as visited, updates the distances to the neighboring vertices if a shorter path is found. Min distance method finds the vertex with the smallest distance that hasn't been visited. It initializes the min distance to infinity and min distance to -1. It iterates over all vertices to find the minimum distance vertex. It returns the index of its vertex. Main function handles user input and runs the algorithm. It reads the number of vertices, reads the adjacency matrix from user input, reads the source node, creates an instance of Dijkstra's algorithm and runs the Dijkstra's method, prints the shortest path from the source node to all other nodes. It calculates and prints the total cost of the shortest path. Let's run the code. Enter the number of vertices, 3. Enter the adjacency matrix, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Enter the source code, 2. The shortest path from the source node, 2 to 0 is 7, 2 to 1 is 8, 2 to 2 is 0. The total cost of shortest paths is 15. Thank you.